Unit 1 scale drawing test review number 2, page 2. All right, so we have question 4. There are two different maps of California state. The scale of the first map is 1 centimeter to 10 kilometers. The distance between San Francisco and Fresno is 25 centimeters. The scale on the second map is 1 centimeter to 50 kilometers. What is the distance from San Francisco to Fresno on the second map? Explain your reasoning. First, we need to figure out how many kilometers is San Francisco to Fresno on our first map. So if it's 1 centimeter to 10 kilometers is 25 centimeters. We have 10 times 25. That gives us 250. So we are 250 kilometers apart. Now we're using the scale of our second map. We know 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers. How many 50s are in 250 kilometers? Divided by 50 gives us 5, but let's double check. 250 divided by 50, 5 centimeters. They are 5 centimeters apart. Number 5, polygon GHIJKL is a scaled copy of polygon ABCDEF. Select all. That means there are more than one of the true statements. Segment JI is twice as long as DC. JI is 4, DC is 2, twice, we're multiplying by 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So that is a true statement. Segment AB is twice as long as HI. Well, considering they're not even corresponding parts, that tells us 1. Also, our original is smaller, so it can't be twice. So B does not work. The measure of angle JIH that angle is twice the measure of DCB. Our angle measures do not change. Corresponding angles measures stay the same. The length of segment GL is 5.6. That's what it's telling me. So let's go to our corresponding segment, AF, which is 2 8/10. Remember, going from our original to our scale copy, it was twice as big, so our scale factor is 2. 2.8 times 2 is indeed 5 6/10, and we can prove it. 2 8/10 times 2, 5 6/10. So D is correct. The area of GHIJKL is twice the area of ABCDEF. It's not twice. Remember, it's our scale factor squared. So the area of ABCDEF is our scale factor squared. That does not mean twice. That is your scale factor times itself. So A and D are correct. Number 6, a scale drawing of a rectangle park is 5 inches wide and 8 inches long. The actual park is 480 yards long. So that means it corresponds to our 8 inches long. So 480 yards. What is the area of the actual park? First, we need to figure out what is our scale factor. What are we multiplying by? So if we have 480 divided by 8, our scale factor is 60. So if I'm going to have 60 times 5, That will give us our actual width of 300 yards. And to find area, we have length times width. 480 times 300. We get 144,000 yards squared. So that means our answer would be D. Page 3 will be in your next video.